How do you know it's called Twinkle Toes?
Because I know it is.
You've seen them before.
Yeah?
Where'd you see them to?
Wow. In a comic book.
Open them up and show me. Who gave them to you?
Nanny Rose.
And
Shoes.
oh my goodness. You always wanted them, did you?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show them. They are the coolest boots I ever seen.
Wow.
Whoa!
Yay.
Let's try them on, Lola. They're awesome.
There's something else in there. What is this for?
That's just extra shoelaces. You can change them black or you can keep the silver ones in.
Wow.
Now then. I know you're not going to be cool with them, man.
They're for the summer now.
They're Skechers. They're awesome, Lola. What do you think? Say thanks, Nanny Rose.
Thank you, Nanny Rose.
You love them?
Yeah.
Cool, aren't they?
Can we pay it now? I wonder why there was a comic book in there.
Just comes with it, I guess.
Yeah.
Blow Nanny Rose a kiss. We'll send her the video. Say I love you.
I love you.